friends, welcome back to my channel. So friend, today I will talk about JONSBO TK-1 2.0 MicroATX compatible mini tower chassis. And friend, this chassis is featuring a pillarless design and curved tempered glass side panel in black and white variants, and the updated version of the original TK-1 initially released in February, and the TK-1 2.0 boasts a U-shaped tempered glass design on the side panel, allowing user to construct and distinct and visually appealing PC system. And notably, the driveway has been iteration, enabling the installation of two 3.5-inch HDDs, and the key specification is driveway options 3.5-inch bay into 1 and 2.5-inch bay into 1, and the cooling support the top 120 mm into 2, bottom 120 mm into 2, and up to 240 water cooling radiator on the top, and the capability of graphics card up to 280 in length, and CPU cooler up to 165 in height, and ATX power supply units with a maximum depth of 200 and the expansion slot is 4 slots, and the supported form factor is MicroATX and Mini-ITX, and the connectivity ports is USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C into 1, USB 3.0 into 1, audio input and output, and the external dimension is 299 in width, 310 in depth, and 345 in height, and the weight about is 5.9 kg. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.